Hi, I'm Linda. I live in Spring Hill, Florida, and I heard about LeafFilter from my brother in Connecticut who had his whole house done. And I thought about my home here in Florida, when my back of my house is completely overhanging with live oak trees, which completely clog my gutters. So I said, I'm going to give this a try. So I called LeafFilter, and sure enough, they came right on time. The salesman was very courteous, explained to me exactly the cost and what would be involved. A couple of days later, the installer came, who was also very courteous. He told me everything that he was going to do, showed me, walked me through all the steps, and off he went. And it was just wonderful. He showed pictures of the gutter after he cleaned it, and then proceeded to install the LeafFilter. After he was done, everything was all cleaned up. There was no mess, nothing. It was like he was never even there. And it was just wonderful. And just the fact that I never have to worry again about my gutters being clogged or climbing ladders or asking neighbors to climb ladders is just a great relief for me. I would highly recommend LeafFilter to anyone who is having issues with their gutters or just never wants to have to worry again. It's just wonderful.